lovely people. I made some paper pots today, and then I put some seeds to start my seedlings, and I thought, wow, maybe some of you would like to learn how to do this. Some may not never heard of this, and some I'm pretty sure do it too as well. If you got any tips, put it in the comments. So what you're going to need is some newspaper. It could be magazine, it can be from the flyer, some kind of circuit you get in the mail. Great for making these paper pots. We make hundreds of these on the farm to start our seeds. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do it long ways, and then you're going to double it, okay? You don't really have to double it, but I do because I find that it holds better and it doesn't get as flimsy. Okay, so then you're going to leave a little space at the bottom because you're going to tuck it in like if you do a present, okay? So then you're going to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it until you reach the end. I do put a little piece of tape there. Trust me, it falls off later on, but it's okay. It still holds the shape. Then you're going to tuck in the bottom, and then there you go. You have a little paper pot. Now, you can start your seedlings just like this and then make bigger ones with a bigger bottle or cylinder, however, and then you're going to up pot your plants, and then that way you don't have to use the plastic pots that cost a lot of money. So I hope you like this video and have a great day. Let me know if you do it.